Welcome to our channel, everyone. Today we're embarking on a journey to unlock the hidden potential in your adorable furry companions. We're going to transform them from bundles of energy into well-behaved, happy pups. How? By teaching them 6 amazing tricks, and the best part is, we're going to do it all in just one day. Get your treats ready because it's about to get fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more incredible pet training tips. Okay, pack leaders, let's begin with the most fundamental command: sit. Remember, every dog is different, just like people, and each one learns at their own pace. But trust me, with patience and consistency, even the most stubborn pup can master this. Start by holding a treat close to your puppy's nose, gently guiding their head upwards. As their bottom naturally lowers towards the ground, say the word sit. The moment their rear touches the floor, praise them like they've climbed Mount Everest. Give them the treat, shower them with affection. You want them to associate sit with positive reinforcement. Repeat this consistently, and before you know it, your pup will be a sit superstar. Now that your furry friend has conquered the sit, we're stepping it up a notch with stay. This one requires a bit more focus, both from you and your pup. With your puppy in the sit position, hold your hand up in front of them, palm open, like you're signaling stop. Simultaneously, clearly say stay. Initially, only hold the stay for a couple of seconds before rewarding them. Gradually increase the duration as they get the hang of it. Remember, patience is your best friend here. Don't get discouraged if they break the stay at first. Just calmly return them to the starting position and try again. With practice, they'll understand that remaining in place brings rewards and praise. Come is not just a command, it's a lifeline. Teaching your puppy to come when called is crucial for their safety and your peace of mind. Start in a secure, enclosed area. Call your puppy's name in an enthusiastic, happy tone and say, "Come." As soon as they start moving towards you, pat your legs, clap your hands, and make yourself appear as inviting as possible. When they reach you, shower them with praise, give them a treat, make them feel like they've just won the lottery. Practice this regularly, gradually increasing the distance and distractions. Remember, your energy and excitement are contagious, so make come the best part of their day. It's time to teach your pup some manners with the classic shake hands trick. This one is all about positive association and gentle encouragement. Kneel down in front of your puppy and gently take one of their paws in your hand. As you do this, say, shake hands or paw. Choose one word and stick with it for consistency. Hold their paw for a moment, then release it and immediately give them a treat and praise. Repeat this several times and you'll notice your pup starting to lift their paw in anticipation. That's when you know they're getting it. Rollover is a fun trick that requires a little bit of maneuvering on your part. Start with your puppy lying down. Hold a treat close to their nose and slowly lure them over onto their side. As they begin to roll, say roll over in a clear, encouraging tone. The moment they complete the roll, reward them with the treat and praise. Remember, this trick may take a little longer for some pups to master, so be patient and break it down into smaller steps if needed. You can even use your hand to guide them through the motion initially. With consistent practice, they'll be rolling like pros in no time. Play dead is a crowd pleaser and a testament to your pup's growing intelligence. To teach this, start with your puppy in a standing position. Say bang in a dramatic tone and gently guide them down to the floor, encouraging them to lie on their side. Hold them in this position for a few seconds, then say okay and let them get up. Reward them with a treat and praise. As they get comfortable with the motion, gradually increase the time they hold the play dead pose before releasing them. Remember, make it fun. This trick is all about theatrics and bonding with your furry friend. And there you have it. You've officially taught your puppy 6 amazing tricks in just one day. Remember, the key is short, consistent training sessions. Don't get discouraged if your pup doesn't pick everything up immediately. Every dog learns at its own pace. The most important thing is to make training enjoyable for both of you. Keep those tails wagging, stay patient, and remember, a well-trained dog is a happy dog. Don't forget to share your puppy's progress in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.